To install the GPT4FREE library on your PC, begin by ensuring that Python 3.8 or later is installed on your system. To verify your Python version, open your terminal command prompt for Windows or terminal for macOS, Linux and type Python version. If Python is installed, you'll see a version number like Python 3.8.5. If not, download and install Python from python.org. Next, make sure pip, Python's package manager, is installed. You can check this by running pip version in your terminal. If pip is not installed, you can install it by running python ensure pip upgrade. Once Python and pip are set up, you're ready to install the GPT4FREE library. The easiest way to do this is to use pip. Open your terminal and execute the following command: pip install GPT4FREE. This will download and install the latest version of the GPT4FREE library directly from the Python package index pip. After the installation is complete, confirm the installation was successful. Open a Python interactive session by typing Python in your terminal. Once inside Python, try importing the library by running using Python import GPT4FREE. If you don't see any errors, then the installation was successful. To use GPT4FREE to interact with GPT models, you will typically need to follow the setup instructions provided in the library's documentation on GitHub. Usually, this involves setting up API keys or configuring specific model preferences, depending on how you want to interact with the service. You can check the repository's README or other documentation for additional setup steps. For example, you may need to clone the repository and install specific dependencies manually for certain features. Using bash, git clone https://github.com/xtekky/gpt4free.git. cd GPT4FREE, pip install, are requirements.txt. Once set up, you can start using GPT4FREE to access and query GPT models directly in your Python scripts. To ensure you have the latest features and fixes, you can update the library by running, adding CSS, pip install, upgrade, GPT4FREE. And that's it. You've successfully installed the GPT4FREE library and are ready to start working with GPT models using the power of free access. Happy coding!